In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update MSI monitor firmware. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to cover the process of updating the firmware on any MSI monitor model that you have. You will be able to perform the firmware updating by downloading the necessary files and connecting some specific cables. So first, download the necessary software and the actual firmware file that will be used for this update. To do this, look for your particular model of monitor on the official MSI website. So you can browse through the categories here until you find your specific monitor, or just look for it on Google. Once you arrive at the page for your monitor, click on Support at the top. So you will see Support at the top right corner of the screen. And now, under Drivers and Downloads, you will find the firmware available. So download the latest version of the firmware. They will even include a video here. And you have to download the utility. So the utility is either going to be Gaming Intelligence or Gaming OSD. So download whatever you see titled here. They are essentially the same program, but they are used for different monitors. So look for Gaming Intelligence or Gaming OSD. Once you have the software downloaded and the firmware file, now install it by first plugging a DP cable. So you must use a DP to DP cable. So if you are using HDMI instead of DisplayPort, sadly, you will not be able to perform the update. It needs to be a DisplayPort cable for you to use the firmware file. So after you connect the DisplayPort cable from your monitor to your GPU, the next thing to acquire is the USB Type-B and USB Type-A cable. So you plug one end into your monitor, as you can see here, the Type-B, and then the other one goes into your PC. After you have the DisplayPort cable and the USB cable set up, now you can set your PC so the screen never turns off. So go to the power options and make sure that you disable the option for the PC to turn off your monitor automatically to save energy. Now open Gaming OSD or Gaming Intelligence, depending on which one you have available for your particular model. In either of these software, you will find these settings at the top. So click on the settings icon. Now you will find firmware update under the settings. Choose this option, and you will be able to load the firmware file that you downloaded for your particular monitor, so the one under firmware. When you load it in here, you will be able to start the update. Just let this process finish. You might see your screen reboot a few times, and once this is done, the new firmware will be used. I hope I was able to help you on how to update MSI monitor firmware. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.